so fun. So excited.
Just like that. The epoxy floor cleans up fairly well. I mean, I imagine if I got down on my hands and knees and scrubbed, this would look much better. But it's not bad for a first cleaning months later. A lot of dirt, garbage, grime has collected in the nooks and crannies of this epoxy floor, but it's holding up pretty good so far. Yeah, not too bad. A few months in and it's doing pretty good.
Welcome back. So, I have a lot to get you guys caught up on, but for right now, we are taking the Beetle to go get an alignment. So, let's find out how happy the new owner is. How excited are you to get your drop top Beetle?
Super excited. I mean, it is winter, so it's going to be a little bit chilly, but I am still looking forward to driving it for the first time with the top down. I haven't even set foot inside of the car, so I'm getting super anxious given that it's 2 feet in front of me, and yeah, I'm just really excited to finally have my birthday present and be able to drive it regardless of the temperature. We are expected to get a really big snowstorm this weekend, so it might be a little bit chilly driving with the top down, but I'm game.
And here is the car. Alright, well, let's get this show on the road and get it all lined up. I don't know if they're going to let me record in there. We'll see. So I wasn't able to be here while it was being aligned, but It is now aligned in this shop. So got the car back, and we're now taking it for its maiden voyage, or at least she is. So
fun. So excited. Couldn't put the top down, but that's okay. It's cold out, you know. Still got to drive it though.
this is her first time driving it, so I think she's liking it.
Loving it. It's great. It's great. Even the muffler sounds pretty good.
No, it doesn't. It's quiet.
Well, it's like my car doesn't
Do
sound
you hear the
like
click, 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 click?
Yeah.
Yeah. I've got to change the rubbers